Recently, we visited Cadiz, Spain. We had the opportunity to see the Cathedral de Santa Cruz. So once we saw this building from the street, I mean, it was massive. It was simply beautiful. We walked around to the side. It was getting ready to open at like half past the hour. So we had to pay, it was 12 euros to enter, and you get to go to the tower, the sanctuary, and to the crypt, which is under the main altar. The tower itself is called the Torre del Levante, and it is 56 meters high or 188 feet tall. So when you're walking up this tower, you have to make sure that you pace yourself because it is very tall. It is very tall, and you can get winded. It's a steady incline, so if you're not in shape, it can be a problem. And don't worry, if you get winded, there are many places for you to sit while you're walking up the tower. There are windows that you can sit in and catch your breath. Once we got to the top, the view was just incredible. It provides a 360-degree panoramic view of Cadiz. Look at this. I mean, it's inexplicable. It was simply beautiful. After we left the tower, it was time to go inside the main sanctuary. I was amazed at the woodwork on the door to say that this is hundreds of years old, and they didn't have the tools that we have now. That makes things so much easier. But once we got inside, this cathedral did not disappoint. And the ceiling was limestone. There's so much of meticulous detail in the corners and the ceilings. I mean, everywhere. It was really breathtaking. You notice I keep getting the ceiling because, I mean, it was just so amazing that I'm like, I didn't know what to film. Do I keep it low and you miss the ceiling? So it was like I was going up and down because it was so impressive. You know, now this thing here is what they carry around for the Easter week, for the Holy Week, and you know, a bunch of men or women. I've seen some women videos with women, but they carry this, you know, on their shoulders and stuff, and they carry it around the city for this parade. So this is a custom that they have. And also the artwork, these paintings that are hanging up on the wall are incredible as well. And they have statues depicting different religious people, you know, in the Catholic Church, you know. And also, while you're walking through, you can get the headphones. You can scan, and they'll like let you know everywhere that you stop. There are numbers that'll let you know what you're looking at and give you like a history behind what's there. Here's an old confession booth. Again, the marble, the limestone, you know, the gold, the wood, you know, the craftsmanship is amazing. It is amazing. And again, this building is hundreds of years old. It's a marble basin. And most places the floor can be like a main attraction. The floor, pales in comparison to the ceiling and the columns and everything else. Also, the details in here were amazing as well. Great detail. Then we went to the crypt, which is located under the main altar. And this is a room that has, different relics and stuff. And, there's the body of I forget what this saint was named. The lady was named. Her body is there. Not a real body, but, And there's a movie playing that like an educational thing, an informative video. They have the shroudatory here that show like what they did to Jesus's body, and I mean it was informative, and I was impressed again by the details, the amount of work, the attention to detail that was put into this building. And there were statues of angels. I saw, I think one of the earliest statues that I saw may have been like I think it was 13. I think it was 13 or something. But like I said, I just felt like this cathedral just deserved a video by itself. And these statues are preserved and stuff. I mean, it's really, really incredible. If you would like to see more videos like this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it. Until next time, keep tripping.
Wherever by land and well or sea, we be tripping to see new things across the globe, wild and free, chasing dreams on wandering wings. We be tripping.